Hello students, welcome to Syed Sunera classroom. Previous video we discussed about nature of fruits and also we saw some example problems as well. Now in this video we are going to discuss about exercise problems. We will see the problems of exercise 4.3. Here the question is find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. So first we need to find the what is the nature of roots. We already discussed in the previous video that what is nature of roots. In this video we will solve the problems. If the real roots exist, find them. So first I will write the equation. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now I will write what is the a value here. A value 2 and b value is minus 3 and c value is equals to 5. Now I am going to find the determinant. What is the determinant here? B square minus 4ac. So what is the value here? We are going to find this value. B square means minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a means 2 and b c means 5. Now we will solve. 3 3s are 9 and minus into minus plus. So 9 minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 5s are 40. So here the answer is minus 31. So it is less than 0. So 0, then it does not have any real roots. In this question they are asking about the real roots, but it does not exist any real roots, then we don't need to find any roots here. So this is the first problem and we are going to the next problem. Here the same question and here the second sub problem is, here I'll write the quadratic equation. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equals to 0. Same problem. If it has any real root, we need to find the nature of roots, and if it has real roots, then we need to find those roots. Here I will write the a values. A value is 3, b value is minus 4 root 3 and c value is 4. Now what is the determinant here? B square minus 4ac is equals to, what is the b square here? Minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4. What is the a value? 3. C value is 4. Now solve. Minus into minus plus. 4 4s are 16 and root 3 whole square means it's 3 minus 4 3s are 12 into 4. Now 16 3s are 48 minus 12 4s are 48. So 48 minus 48 0, which means this discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. This means it has a real roots, not distinct, equal real roots. Then what is the formula here? To find the roots, x is equals to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula to find the roots, which we already discussed in the previous video. And now here the discriminant, this value we already found, this value is 0. So we will write minus b divided by 2a directly. What is the b value here? Minus 4 root 3 minus of minus 4 root 3 divided by 2 into, what is the a value? So here the a value is 3. Now we are going to solve. Minus into minus plus. 4 root 3 divided by 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So here the roots are 2. We can write root 3 divided by, can I write it as root 3 into root 3? Root 3 cancel, then we will get the final answer 2 by root 3. And we have equal roots, right? So we can write it as 2 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. These two are the roots of this quadratic equation. Now move on to the next question. Here the quadratic equation is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0. First I will write we need to find the nature of roots. Here a value is 2, b value is minus 6 and c value is c. Now what is the discriminant? B square minus 4ac is equals to b square, which means minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is 3. 6 6 are 36 minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. Now we got the value as 36 minus 24. It's 12, which is greater than 0. So the determinant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. It means it has distinct real roots, right? Distinct real roots. Now we are going to find the real roots here. What is the formula to find the real roots? X is equals to minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Right. What is the b value here? Here the b value is minus 6 b value is minus 6 plus or minus root of, we already found b square minus 4ac value, it is 12 divided by 2 into, what is the a value here? The a value is 2. A value is 2. Now we will see minus 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 4. Can I write this as minus 6 plus or minus root of 4 3s are 12? Can I write it as 4 into 3 divided by 4? Yes, we can write it. So minus 6 plus or minus, I will write it as minus 4 into root 4 into root 3 divided by 4. Now minus 6 plus or minus root 4 value is 2 into root 3 divided by 4. If I take 2 as common, then what are the remaining terms here? Minus 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So I can write it as minus 3 plus or minus root 3 by 2. Here these are the real distinct roots. So what are the values here? X is equals to minus 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 comma minus 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. These two are the real roots of this quadratic equation. This is the way we will find out if they exist, the real roots. Now move on to the next question. Here the next question is, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So here it was given the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Here we need to find the k value. How we can find the k value? Here the hint is given. They are giving that they have two equal roots. Two equal roots means, what does it mean? It means the discriminant is equal to 0. Right? The discriminant is equal to 0, then it has two equal roots, right? So it was given it has two equal roots, so it means the discriminant is 0. So I will write it here. A is equals to 2, b is equals to k, and c is equals to 3. Now we need to find the discriminant. It was already given two equal roots, which means the discriminant is 0. So I will find the discriminant. B square minus 4ac is equals to 0. What is the b value? K square minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is 3 is equals to 0. Now k square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 24, 8 3s are 24 is equals to 0. K square is equals to 24. K is equals to plus or minus root 24. Can I write it as, how can I write it? Plus or minus 4 6 are 24. Can I write it as 4 6 are 24? Yes, I can. So I'll write it directly as plus or minus 2 root 6. So this is the k value. Plus 2 root 6 and minus 2 root 6. Now move on to the next question. Here same, we need to find the k value, and the same question is there. So here we need to find the k value so that they have two equal roots. Same, the discriminant is 0. Now I'll write the question here. Kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. If I solve this, if I simplify this question, kx into x, kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equals to 0. Here a value is k and b value is minus 2k and c value is 6. And it was given discriminant value. It was given that they have two equal roots, which means discriminant is equals to 0, which is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. So b square minus 2k whole square minus 4 into, what is the a value? K. C value is 6 is equals to 0. Now if I solve this, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4k square minus 6 4s are 24k is equals to 0. Now if I take 4k as common, then what will I get? 4k as common, then k minus 6 is equals to 0, right? So I will write it as 4k is equals to 0 and k minus 6 is equals to 0. Am I in the right way? Yes. 4 6 1. Yes, it is correct. Now here the k value is 0, which we don't need here, and here the k value is 6. So we find that k value is 6 in this equation. This is the way we will find out the k value in these type of questions. Now move on to the next question. Here the next question is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square. If so, find its length and breadth. So I will explain the question first, then we will see if it is possible or not. So it was given that to design a rectangular mango grove, this is the rectangle, whose length is twice its breadth. Let breadth be x and length is twice its breadth means then length be L will be twice its breadth means 2 into what is the breadth here, x. So L length will be 2x, right? Now it was given that area is equals to 800 meters square. So if it is possible, then we need to find the length and breadth. So I will write it clearly. So length is equals to 2x and breadth is equals to x. Area is equals to 800 meters square. Now we already know what is the area of rectangle, L into B. It was given the area is 800, right? So L into B. What is the L value? 2x into x is equals to 800. 2x square is equals to 800 and we need to find the x value. Is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible because we can find the x value here, right? So 2 1s are 2 4s are 8, 2 0s are 0, 2 0 0. X square is equals to 400. X is equals to plus or minus root of 400. So can I ignore? Okay, I'll write it here. Plus or minus root 400 means what is the value of root 400? It is plus 20. So x values are plus 20 comma minus 20. This is the measurement. There is no negative value in measurement. So x value is 20. X is nothing but breadth. The breadth is 20. And what is the length here? We already know length is equals to 2x, which is 2 into 20. So the length is 40 meters. Breadth is 20 meters and length is 40 meters. This is the way we will find out the length and breadth of this problem. Now we will move on to the next question. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So it was given. First we need to understand the problem and we need to solve the problem according to us and according to the question, and then we need to think if it is possible or not. Okay, so I will tell you step by step how we can understand this problem. So is the following situation possible? First we will see what is the situation. If so, determine their present ages. If it is possible, then we need to find the present ages. Here the question is the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. So let x comma y be the ages. Okay, so here two friends are there. So I will take one friend as x and other friend's age as y. So x and y be the ages of two friends. And it was given that sum of their ages is 20 years. Which means if I add those ages, x plus y is equals to 20. Now 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So let's say it is equation 1. Okay. Now 4 years ago, what is the age of x? It is x minus 4, right? And 4 years ago, what is the 4 years ago? What is the age of this fellow? I mean first friend, x minus 4. And what is the age of second person before 4 years? Y minus 4. And it was given that 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. So their product, this age and this age product is x minus 4 into y minus 4 is equals to 48, because it was given that their product of ages before 4 years was 48. So it was clear. And x into x. Now I am going to solve this. X into x. Okay, before going to solve this equation, I will solve this equation. Equation 1. Here it was given that x plus y is equals to 20. I will find the y value and substitute this y value in this equation. Okay. Now what is the y value here from equation 1? The y value will be 20 minus x. Substitute this y value in this equation 2. What is the equation 2 here? X minus 4 into y means 20 minus x minus 4 is equals to 48. So this is the substitution method which we already discussed in the previous chapter, right? So this is very simple. Now the product means x minus 4 into 20 minus 4, which is 16 minus x is equals to 48. Now we will see x into 16, 16x minus x into x square minus 16 4 is 64 minus into minus plus 4x is equals to 48. This is very simple. This is just a simplification. Now 16x 20x minus x square minus 64 is equals to 48. Now we will see x square, if I take this whole equation that side, then x square minus 20x plus 64 plus 48 is equals to 0. Now x square minus 20x plus 64 plus 48, 112 is equals to 0. Now here we need to, it was asking is it possible or not. How we can say it is possible or not? This is the quadratic equation we got, right? And now we need to check if it is possible or not. This situation is possible or not. How we can know that this is possible or not? By finding the x value, right? So if I find the x value, if it is a real root, then it is possible. Because there are edges, there should not be a negative value and there should not be a non-real number. So we need to find if we got this as real numbers or not. So for that I am going to find the discriminant here. If I find the discriminant, then after finding the discriminant, we will know the nature of roots. If it is real roots or it is not real roots. So we can say that it is possible or not, right? So I will find the discriminant here. Here a value is 1, b value is minus 20 and c value is 112. Now b square minus 4ac is equals to b square minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112. Now 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 400 minus 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. So we got minus 48, which is less than 0. It means does not have real roots. If x value is not a real root, then what is the use to find the x value here? Because here we want edges, right? Edges means it should be a real number, real positive number. Then only it is possible. Otherwise it is not possible. So we find that there are no real roots. This equation does not exist any real roots. So it is not possible. No. So I'll write it here only. So we can write it as no, it is not possible. Because it does not have any real roots. It does not have any real roots. If there are no real roots, then what is the point to find the value of x? No, right? There is no point. There is no such point to find the x value. So that is the reason, that is the final answer, no. Now move on to the next question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Now we will see. A rectangular park, which means perimeter. It was given perimeter is 80 meters and area is 400 meters square. Now we need to find the length and breadth. It is a very simple question. Now what is the perimeter? First, before going to solve this, we need to know the formulas, basic formulas of what is the perimeter of rectangle, what is area of rectangle, all these things. Now what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B, right? 80 meters. Now if I solve this, L plus B is equals to 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 0s are, so 40. L plus B is 40. Let's say it is equation 1. Now what is the area here? Area is equals to 400. Area, which is L into B, is equals to 400. Now from this equation, by substitution method, can I find the B value here? B is equals to 40 minus L. So I'll substitute this B value in this equation, right? So L into, what is the B value here? 40 minus L is equals to 400. Now solve this. 40L minus L square is equals to 400. Now I'll solve this. L square minus 40L plus 400 is equals to 0. Now we need to check if it is possible or not. How we can check? We will check by find the discriminant. So I'll find the discriminant here. A value is 1, B value is minus 40 and C value is equals to 400. I will find the discriminant. What is the discriminant here? B square minus 4ac. Why we are finding the discriminant? If the discriminant is equal to 0 or greater than 0, then we can solve because the real roots exist. If it is less than 0, then we can say that there are no real roots exist, so it is not possible. So I'll write it as, I will find the discriminant. B square minus 4ac, which is nothing but minus 40 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 400. Now 4 minus into minus plus, 4 4s are 1600 minus 4 4s are 1600. So here the discriminant is 0. So we got same equal real roots. So real roots means it is possible. So now we are going to solve this. I am going to find the roots. How I can find? Here we need to find the L value, right? L is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is the b value here? B value is minus 40. So minus of minus 40 plus or minus root, it is 0 divided by 2 into 1. Minus into minus plus, 40 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 20s. So here the L is equals to 20. We find the length. L is equals to 20. Now we need to find the breadth. What is the B here? I'll find by substituting this value here. So here B value is 40 minus L. We already find it, right? So 40 minus L means 40 minus L, which is 40 minus 20. So 20. So length is equals to breadth is equals to 20. This is the way we will find out the question. Now in this video we solve the exercise problems, and in the next video we will come up with a new chapter. And if you like this and find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. This is Sunehra signing off.